What it do, crew? So recently I was sent some hair by an Amazon company. I put the link in the description, and I'll have a picture of their product on somewhere on the screen. I was sent some hair. It was 6 packs of butterfly locks. The packages look like this. I believe there's about 10 to 12 pieces in each pack. They look like this, and I have a close-up video of the product. Kind of like spring twist but butterfly locks. I like the hair. It's good quality. I would definitely recommend. I did a tutorial in this video, so if you want to see that, stay till the end. I'll have pictures of the final product of the hair at some point. And that is all, folks. I'll see you in the next video. To start her hair, I already had it braided similar to my other faux lock tutorial. So what you're going to see me doing is put the crochet hook through the base of the braid and loop the crochet hair onto the end of the crochet hook and slide it through. Once you slide it through, you're going to find that same loop, open it, and once you get it open, you're going to put her real hair or your real hair and the crochet hair through that loop and pull it tight. Once you do that, you're going to take the crochet hook, line up the real hair and the crochet hair, and see where your real hair stops. You're going to put the crochet hook through the crochet hair every other loop and kind of just weave it in and out. That's going to be the pattern that the hair goes through and follow through the crochet hair. So you're going to see me looping it kind of like in an up and down motion, weaving it through. Once you get up to the top, you're going to make sure to push the crochet hair that you just weaved through all the way down to make sure that the hook is available and open. You're going to take the real hair and loop it through. Close the crochet hook, and you're going to push the crochet hair up onto the real hair. And at that point, you can just take the real hair off and you're going to stretch it. And the hair is hidden within. As you can see, you can barely see the difference, like it's coming straight from her scalp.
Peaches and mangoes, just yourself and me.